ordinary relationships. When you think of your mother, your father, you are visualizing. Darshan, when you sit close with your mask, it's a big difference. So when we are actually seeing, it is vital. So that's what means mantra Chaitanya is similar. Visualizing is always limited by your own mind. Darshan is something totally, visualize the sun, how does it shine? And open the window and look at the sun, see the difference. The difference now you are enjoying and basking the sunlight. Mantra Chaitanya has been awakened. Otherwise you have been saying, Adhyaya Nama, Karaya Nama, Pushne Nama.